Oh, hold him. Can you get him?
Huh?
Can you get him?
Wow. Big.
Okay, wow. Son, that's a big brim.
Big.
Oh my gosh. Nah, buddy. Golly.
Big.
It's a big brim. Hold that for a second. Hold that. Son, might be the biggest brim
In the lake.
in the lake, man.
Big.
Woo. He choked it too.
Go.
Choked it.
Huh?
That's a beast right there, son. I don't think I've ever caught one this big.
Big.
You could eat that one.
Shoot, yeah.
Huh?
How far is it down
Hey,
there?
yeah.
Pretty
A big.
Is that a big fish?
Huh?
Did you catch that fish?
Huh?
Did you catch it?
Where do you see it down here? This is one of them girls' ranch brim right here, buddy. Son, I ain't seen a brim as big maybe in my life.
Here it is. Wow.
Son,
Huh?
you want to hold this brim?
But
That's a big fish, buddy. He's heavy. Get your picture.
That's a good fish, Michael. Yeah, there's a big brim. What are you gonna do
Swap
with
it
him?
Swap it to picture. Hold on, hold on.
Oh, wait a minute. Hey, about here?
Yeah, you swap the photo.
That little white button?
Yeah. Did you swap the photo on the bottom? No.